guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. My name is Faiza. If you are new here, please do subscribe to my channel. So today in this video I am going to be doing this look. This is something new I've tried it off camera before. Like I've never really recorded myself doing this properly, but yeah, this is like cut crease and like sides is like a smoky effect and this is bright. So something new that I've tried. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe and comment. Yeah, I really do appreciate it. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so first of all I am starting with the Benefit Cow primer. I'm just putting on my face, everywhere, on my forehead, on my sides, and especially my neck, because I feel like I get so many pores on my necks and they don't really look nice. So then I'm going in with the MAC concealer, putting it on both of my eyelids and obviously blending it all evenly, and then obviously when I scoop the powder say, then I set it off. And then I'm taking this Huda Beauty Cup powder palette, and then I've taken the lighter shade there, so it's like a pinkish brownish kind of shade. I've taken that and I'm just blending it in my socket, in my crease, both equally. They look all same. And then I'm taking this brownish orangish color, and then I am then applying it just right on top of the crease shade, and obviously blending it out. As you can see, I'm going in the socket. So the best way to do is obviously put it inside your socket and like halka sa open your eyes, and then you will be able to just make the brush go backwards and forwards motion. And I'm taking a big fluffy brush to make sure both of those colors are blended together. Uske baad I'm taking this dark brown shade and I'm just putting it in the outer V corner. This brown shade is going in the outer V corner. I will show you in the full detail just now, as you can see here. So yeah, that's going in the outer V corner. Again on the other side as well is going in the outer V corner, and obviously you do require a lot of blending. So here I'm just making sure that all the colors are merged together and blended together perfectly. So this is how it's looking like after I've blended the colors. And now I'm going to cut the crease. So the best way to do is basically take a little bit in the center of your eyelid and just look up. So when you're looking up, it will leave a mark. So that's how you'll know that's where it should end. Isse upar agar jayega, so that's not going to look nice. So make sure that's the point. And then you just obviously draw the shape like so. And then after that, after you've drawn the shape, and then I'm just going to use a brush just to blend it out. So here I am using the brush, just to make sure not to use too much product as well. So here I am packing on this yellow color, and obviously at the same time making sure that brown color obviously is getting lighter as I am blending it. So I'm making sure that वो भी सारा उसको मैं बार-बार करती रहूँ सही. So here I'm done with both of the eyes. So the three colors that I started off with, I made sure कि उनको दोबारा से उनके ऊपर एक और go over them so they lighten up हो जाते हैं. So now I'm taking this glittery shade and I'm putting just very lightly dabbing on top of the yellow one. I don't want the full eye to look shimmery. I just want that shimmer, halka sa glitter eye. So now I'm doing the under eyes. I'm putting that dark brown color in with this small rounded brush. And then after that I'm going to take the fluffy brush and I'm going to use that orangish browny color just to obviously blend it, so we get the same effect that we have up on the eyelids at the lower lids as well. So you will see now okay, they both look quite equal. So now I'm taking this NYX white pencil and you'll see how eyes se kitni badi
Okay guys, so that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. I hope you learned something from it. See you next time then. Bye.